is an activity for you where you can trace your footprint like these kids have been doing here in the picture. You need to trace your foot on a sheet of paper and cut it out like this. You can trace the footprint of yourself and your parents and compare the size of yours with your parents. You need to also measure it using cubes, paper clips, or even measure it using a scale. Measuring length. We know that length is a straight line distance from one end of an object to other end. Over here I have taken an example of a pencil. So the length is the distance from one end, that is erase over here. Can you see here? From one end of a pencil to the other end. This is the length of the pencil. What is width? It is the straight line distance across an object from one side to another side. The width is the distance between the top and bottom of this eraser over here. This is the width. It is also called as the thickness of a pencil. Let's compare the objects. Here, which is longer? The scale over here or the scale? When you see that this is longer compared to the one in gray, so I will be circling the longer one. Which is shorter out of the two erasers? I see that this is shorter. Which is shorter of the two pencils? The colorful one over here is the shorter one. Which is longer out of the board pens? I see that this is longer. Which watch is longer? The pink watch or the blue? I find the blue watch longer. Which is shorter of the two pouches over here? The pink or the green? So the green is shorter compared to the pink. This is how we compare objects. Now next, let us learn to measure things. Here are our tools for measuring the length. Have you seen this anywhere? This is a scale or a ruler, and this is the measuring tape. Let us learn to measure a pencil. Measure a pencil. For this you need a scale and a pencil. Length is measured using the units centimeter and millimeter. Centimeter is the marking over here. 1, 2, 3. These are 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, etc. These small divisions are all called as millimeter. The rules of measuring. Place one end of an object, that is a pencil over here, on the marking 0 of the ruler. Now ensure that both the pencil and the scale are in straight line. Now we can find the length of the pencil by looking at the other end of an object, that is the tip of the pencil. So we see that the tip of the pencil is at 10. So the length of the pencil is 10 centimeter, which is the unit of measuring a length. Do measure the length of your pencils. Let's learn what is height. Height is the straight line distance of an object from top to bottom. So it is the straight line distance of a person also, from top to bottom. Let's learn to compare the height as tall or short. 1. Tick the one that is tall. I see that the person in blue shirt is tall. I put a tick mark over here. 2. Circle the one that is short. The clown over here is short. 3. Circle the one that is short. The boy in white and white is short compared to the girl. 4. Tick the one that is tall. So I see that the girl wearing a red and blue ribbon is taller. This is how we compare the height. So do compare your height with your siblings or parents.